Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Master Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to create a YouTube Kids profile for your kids. To do this, you just need to go to the YouTube Kids app on Android or iOS, or you can do it also on your desktop. So to do it on the desktop, you just need to go to youtubekids.com, and the steps are similar between the web and the mobile apps. So to do this, you just need to go, like I said, youtubekids.com, and after that choose a parent, and after that you will see this screen, the welcome screen. Click next, and after that type the year when you are born and click submit. After that click on show text, and after that click next. Now you have to choose the main profile that will be linked to this YouTube Kids profile, because you can't create a YouTube Kids account. You will link this like YouTube Kids profile with your main account. So that's why you need to choose the main account. Click on add account, choose your account that you want to use to link this profile. You need, of course, to enter your password, and after that click next. And now you will put the information of your kids. For example, I will name it test. The age will be 5 years old, and after that you can choose the picture. Of course, you can choose another avatar. For example, I will choose this star, and you will put the month of the birthday. I will choose November, for example, and click next. Here you will choose the content that you want your kid to see. What is the content? You want the preschool content for the age of 4 and under, the younger content of between 5 and 8 years, or the older content between 9 and 12 years. For example, I will choose the younger content, and as you can see here, it gives you like an examples of the content that your kid will see. Click select, and after that you will choose here an option if you want the search bar to be available or not for your kid. So you want to give the option for your kid to look for what he want to watch, or just watch the suggestion that are available on his page. So if you want to give him this search bar, you click on turn search on, and if you don't want that, you click turn search off. So for example, I will give him the option to search, and now it's preparing my content. Everything is ready. We click next, and he tells you that you can like go to settings from that place, and we click on done, and after that we click let's go. And as you can see here, this is the profile of your kid with the content that he can watch. Of course, because we wanted to activate the search bar, so the search bar is activated here. He have the shows, he have the music, also he have the learning material, and he have the explore tab to see what's new and to look for what's new. So this is the YouTube Kids, and how you can create a profile for your kid easily with just a few steps. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video and see you in the next one.